Hi everyone, and yet another tutorial video on login signs. Today in this video I'm going to show you the process on how to fix story music not working on Instagram. So please make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, what you need to do is go to your Play Store and search for the application Instagram. Here you need to make sure that the application Instagram is updated to the latest version. And the next step is what you can do is go to your settings, move into apps, head over to the application Instagram, and then tap on stories and cache. Here what you need to do is clear the cache of Instagram. Click on clear cache. Clearing the cache will remove unwanted data and the bugs from Instagram. If this doesn't fix the problem, what you can do is go to your application Instagram. Here what we can do is switch your personal account to the professional account. So go to your profile at the bottom right corner. Click on three horizontal line at the top right corner. Move into settings. Head over to account. Scroll to the bottom and the option of switch to professional account will be visible to you. Click on it. Click on continue. Now select the category that will describe you, and then click on done. Tap on OK. So I would like to be the creator for this account, so click on creator and then click on next. You have been switched from your personal account to professional account. Now go back and see whether it has fixed your problem or not. Choose one picture. Click on this icon and the option of music will be visible to you. Click on it. There you go, now you can add any music to your story. Well, this is it, and this was some of the methods that will fix the problem that you have been facing on Instagram. I hope you found this video useful. If it does, please make sure to give thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you on my next video.